Say hello to the Nexgrill Evolution 3-burner gas grill with stainless steel side burner. With a reliable battery-powered electronic ignition, you just turn on the gas, turn the knobs, press the button, and let the grilling begin. 3 independently controlled 304-grade stainless steel burners each offer 13,500 BTUs of flame roasting energy for quick, convenient, controlled heat. Plus, an 8,500 BTU side burner offers up the ability to whip up a quick side dish. Nexgrill's Evolution Infrared Plus technology gives you the flexibility of cooking with various combinations of direct and infrared heat. With 3,757 square centimeters of cooking space, there's plenty of room to bake, broil, sear, or smoke with ease. The firebox is equipped with 2 durable porcelain cast iron cooking grids and an upper-level warming rack to keep cooked foods toasty. Beneath the cooking surface, angled flame tamers deflect heat, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor, while the built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. On the sides, 1,066 square centimeters of total shelf space are perfect for food prep or serving. Swivel and lockable casters make it easy to move around the patio, and an enclosed double-door cart keeps your propane tank safely tucked away. Finally, when it's time to clean up, a rear access pull-out grease tray makes it easy. We got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill Evolution 3-burner gas grill with stainless steel side burner.